Ever worked in Notepad++? So if you have worked in Notepad++, have you ever used macro in that? If you have used it, it's very good. And if you haven't used it, please watch this video from the beginning till the end. And definitely you will get something new in macro today. So because macro is very useful while working in a Notepad++, and it saves a lot of efforts and time for you. And so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you some cool steps, tricks to use macro, using which you can save your time while you're working in your organization or anywhere. So let's just start. And if even if you know how to work with macro, you should watch this so that you will have a better idea and how to use a macro, how to run a macro, how to record a macro, and how to make your work easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with it. Okay, so I'm just have so what is the purpose of macro is that it saves your work. So what you're going to do is you are going to record the steps and you're going to perform those steps on certain number of lines or throughout the file. Okay, so for example, like while working, there is a requirement that okay, you have a vertical line, vertical line of strings. You want to make it into a single line. Okay, you have to run a command or something like that. So you want to bring all those in a single line. Okay, so let's say there are 10 lines, you can simply do it like this, delete space and like that, delete space like that. But then if there are, thousands of lines and you want to make it to a single line, how you gonna do that? So, I mean, in that case, macro is really helpful. Okay, so so I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to take the cursor to the beginning of the line where you want to perform the action. So let's say I'm gonna do all these lines in a single line. Okay, so how can I do that? Just go to your macro, okay, and then there is a start recording option, okay, or there is a direct button here if you see start recording, okay, in the Notepad++, okay. So if you just click this, it'll start your it'll start recording your steps. Okay, so you go back to the first line, okay, and then so what you are going to do, you do that for a single time, and then that will be recorded, and then the system will do it for multiple number of times for you. Okay, so what I will do is so if I want to make these in a single line, I will do go to the end and then delete button and then space and then again end button, right? Like that. So this is a single step that I'm going to perform and then I will stop the recording. So what we did is we recorded a macro. Okay. So macro is nothing but step recording, kind of a recording of a particular step, okay, which you can perform, on a whole file or throughout the file or through a certain number of lines, okay. So I did this now. Now the macro is recorded. Now if you go to the macro, you will have an option to run the macro multiple times, this button, or you just go to the menu and just click on run a macro multiple times. So now you see there is an option to run it one time, okay, and then there is a macro to run. So here there are three things, trailing space and save. Okay, so like that, there is a direct macro. Some of the default macros are already there, and then there is a current recorded macro. Okay, so if I do it once, run it one time, or you want to run it two times, three times, you can specify. If you just click on once, so what is happening? See, the next line is being appended, and it is coming to this first line in a single line. Again, if I run one time, so it is coming like that. If I run till the end of the file, see you see the whole line has come in a single all the throughout the file. See you see the whole line has come here in a single line and there is nothing below this line. Okay. So likewise, it is performing this single recorded step throughout the file. Okay, so like that. I'll just do Control Z. Okay, so now you see now it's coming back to the original. Okay, so this is the first thing that you can do. Again, what I will do is, let's say there is a line, and in the every line you want to precede it with something, like let's say I want to have a numbering here. Okay, or you want to have something like hash or something, anything you want to have at the beginning of all these lines. Okay, so that also you can do very easily. So what you have to do is you have to do a single step and then you have to record it. Okay, so let's say I will just click on macro, start recording, and then here let's say I want to place hash. Okay, anything, like I'm just giving an example. I want to place hash at the beginning of the all the lines in the file, or let's say in 10 lines or throughout the file. So I placed hash and then I press the down button and I go to the beginning. Okay, like that. And then this is what I have done. I did only one key or one or two key movement and then I stopped the recording. So, and then now what I will do is I'll run this macro throughout the file. So run a macro multiple times and then run throughout the end of the file. You see hash is placed everywhere throughout the file. Okay, like that. So like this, if you want to do something in your space work and there are thousands of lines and you cannot do it manually. You are not gonna go and place the hash in front of the thousand lines. So there definitely you need some an easier way. So this is how it is done through a macro. Okay, so this is how you can use a macro to do like that. Okay, so for example, let's say undo this. Okay, so this is how you can use a macro in your program, in your working environment, wherever as per your choice. Okay, so as I'll close this tutorial for now, and if I get any other ideas on macro or Notepad++, I'll come back to you. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and share with your friends, and please give a feedback in the comment section. So that's all. Thanks for watching.